How to add email in Grubhub. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add email. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this account option. Tap on account. Now here in your account interface, here you can see the option called email. Simply tap on email. So this is the section where you must enter your email address and password. So here I have automatically kept this email, and now here on the bottom you can see this password section. So try keeping a password that you will remember. Now after you do that, simply tap on save and you'll be done. So this Google account will be linked with the account, and later you can open it whenever you want. So this is how you add email in Grubhub. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.